before we begin, may I know your name? Sorry? Chithuli? Oh, okay, Chithuli. Nice to meet you. So have you touched a snake before? No. Okay, today is a lucky day. You will need to touch Nala. Okay, come. Before that, Chithuli, you can get some hand sanitizer. Okay, don't worry, I'm here. Don't be safe. Alright, Chithuli, are you ready? Okay, come. Touch the snake. Yeah, go ahead. You can touch more everywhere. Yeah, the other hand is fine too. Okay. So, Chithuli, right. Can you tell everyone, is the snake wet and slimy or is it smooth and dry? Hey, one more time.
It's smooth and dry.
Alright, everybody, Chithuli is indeed correct. So snakes are indeed very smooth and very dry. But a lot of people, they have this misconception thinking that snakes are wet and slimy due to the glossiness of their scales, but they are smooth and dry. So Chithuli, right now, thank you so much for your help. I got a present for you. It's a picture with me and Nala. You want to take a photo? Hey, but do you want to carry Nala? Yes, no, maybe. What do you think? Yes? Okay, Chithuli, come. Where's the camera for her? Oh, where's your parents? Oh, there. iPhone 17. Okay, Chithuli, you stand there, look there. You put your hand like this. Okay, and here you go. Right, come, let's look at the camera and smile. You got it, ma'am? Sir? All good? Alright, everybody, let's give a big round of applause to Chithuli. Thank you so much. You may return to your seat. And now, Sasha, where are we headed to next?